Yo, what's going on, guys? This is the Ecom boss, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys the worst products that you guys should avoid. I don't know if this is going to be a long video because I have a lot of products. For real, guys, if you're planning on dropshipping, a lot of the products you're going to test tomorrow are going to be in this video. So definitely do make sure to watch this video. There's a lot of videos about sell these products, sell this, sell that. Well, what's even more important than sell this stuff is like, what to not to sell. Because if you test products that is on this list, you're most likely going to fail. And you guys might say, I made some sales with humidifiers. Of course, some people always do, but it's not recommended, right? So there's gonna be a list of a ton of products and niches to avoid when dropshipping, just the worst products to dropship. If you guys want to get into the dropshipping coaching program, message me on Instagram here. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the Ecom boss channel just to drop a like, and let's get into the first product. First product is gonna be like furniture stuff. However, it could be cool with more like decor types of products, but furniture is not too good. I'm not talking about paintings you guys could have on your wall. That does not go under furniture. I'm talking more about chairs, tables, stuff that you think is cool, marble tables, stuff like that. Furniture, no go. However, I can dropship furniture super successfully, cool marble goods and everything, but this is hard. Furniture usually as well is high ticket, which makes it even harder to stand a chance, because the thing is, everyone can buy a $80 table, and why should you buy a table when you could buy it from your online store, when you could buy it anywhere? That's the thing. You get tables, you get chairs, you get all that stuff anywhere. Can you make the furniture niche work? Of course. I have friends selling tables for thousands of dollars, but I do not recommend it, okay? Like wallpapers, like paintings and everything, that's something else. Next thing is going to be clothing. You do not want to do that. You don't even want to start your own shoe brand. The thing is, a lot of the clothing you sell is actually a ripoff by brands you don't know. So for example, you could sell shoes and you didn't know it was a Nike ripoff because you don't know all of Nike's shoes, right? And that's the thing. You don't want to rip off people, but the other thing is clothing usually has a low margin. It's not worth too much because you're not a brand. Clothing is hard. It requires a really big capital, budget, everything to make it work. And it's not products that has like a wow, I gotta get this thing type of factor, unless it's like a Christmas sweater. So do not sell clothing. Next thing is gonna be fake stuff. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. Talking fake Adidas, fake Nike, fake Gucci stuff. Just don't sell fakes. Generic household items such as toilet paper type of things, paper rolls, all those boring organizers. This is the thing. Household items could be organizers. It could be, for example, stuff that you use on your toilet. But a lot of organizers, drying, hanging racks. It's so many things you could be. But what I'm usually saying is like organizers usually it's just boring. Yeah, it might solve a problem. It might make some stuff easier, but an organizer is just boring. It's like shoe organizer, shoe warmer. Of course, it's nice to have in your house, but it's just so boring. So household items in general is not too cool. And this is like the lighting niche. The lighting niche is actually pretty cool. A lot of cool lamps and everything, but that goes more under decor. Dangerous products such as knives, lighters, and everything. First of all, lighters and knives, CSGO knives, whatever, and lighters, they usually get banned on Facebook. Starting a fire, stuff like that gets banned. Had a guy in the coaching program, actually, he made 10K a day with a fire starter type of thing. It was like a lighter, this similar thing, but then ended up getting banned a little bit later. He made a lot of profit though, don't get me wrong, was super successful, like 200K a month, but then it was all gone and he got banned, and it's a lot of problems. Just don't sell products that's dangerous. Usually you get caught way before he did, and just don't sell on the edge type of products. If you could start a fire, it could be dangerous. It's as simple as that. Same with allergic reaction types of products. Is knife really something you should be promoting on the Facebook marketplace? If we're honest, it's a no. But is clicking the like button and subscribing something you actually could do safely? That's a yes. Makeup and cosmetics. I'm gonna teach you guys why right now. Makeup and cosmetics does not come with acne stuff, face scrubbers, mole removers in general. That's not makeup or anything. I'm talking eyebrow trimmers, eyebrow products. The thing is, girls know where to get this. There's big brands like Sephora. I buy this for my girlfriend all the time, big makeup brands like Sephora, Naked or something. I think Sephora is a shop. It doesn't matter. Like, girls know where to get their eyebrow stuff. It's not like they just buy it from internet. They might buy, piercings and everything from the internet, but they do not buy, makeup stuff because they know where to get that. I feel like they're more like, I have $10 to spend, let's go on eBay and find something. But the makeup niche, I'm just saying, girls know where to get that stuff. I don't think you really should be aiming towards that niche unless you have something really unique, but still, it's not too cool. Bracelets, stay away. We're talking bracelets and watches. We're also talking, for example, rings and jewelry. However, a ring and a necklace could actually be good products if it plays on emotion. You gotta play on emotion. If not, it's not good. For example, the I love you in 100 language necklace, I think that's what it was. That's a good product. Another thing could be a ring for your girlfriend. That's also a good product if it plays on emotions for Valentine's Day and similar stuff. But if you're just talking jewelry in general, just basic stuff to look cool, usually doesn't sell. I do not recommend it. I had a couple of friends and I had some people in the coaching scaling successfully with the jewelry niche and bracelets and everything, but that's usually for the love type of niche, relationship relationships, but of course we've seen it work just to be cool too, but I recommend avoiding it. You want to find something unique, you know, something cool with like a wow factor. It's like, wow, I've never seen this thing before, it does this, it does that, or for example, like this thing solves the problem. I don't feel confident in my own skin. This store can change my skin. I can feel more confidence. Just, you know, lift the weight of your shoulders types of products. That's way better, right? Just like a furniture mover. Moving furniture is hard. If you sell someone a furniture mover and they're moving into a new house, they'll buy it. Humidifiers, don't sell that stuff. It's bad. It's bad. And it could actually cause allergic reactions too. I had a friend selling humidifiers for like $30,000 and his profit was $80. $80 out of $30,000. Often it's not a profitable product. It's super saturated. Saturation does rarely works. Just like the massage gun, saturation is done. Portable blender too. You shouldn't do saturation. A lot of YouTubers say to do it, but I'm just telling you guys, most of the YouTubers that say it, they don't do it themselves. Some of them do it, don't get me wrong. Saturation is not the way to go. But humidifiers could actually cause allergic reactions too, and it's all over the place. Even a new design is still just a basic humidifier. Don't sell them. Next thing is blackhead and acne removers. That stuff is old. Same with wrinkle removers or, you know, facelifting. But for example, like a mole remover and things, that's also getting old and saturated now. But you want to find something like the mole remover, that's something new. Acne and blackheads is just old. It really is old. You could get it anywhere. And there's no place you can't get a blackhead remover, so you know, why would you sell it? Everyone is undercutting each other as well, just like a charcoal face mask. You saw that stuff 5 years ago. Projectors and cameras is just the stupidest thing in general. The security niche too on Facebook is really controversial topic. It's hard to sell stuff in the security niche because you can get banned from invading other people's privacy. You just don't want to sell in the security niche. But now we're just talking basic cameras, projectors, you know, all those cool projectors seem to go viral. You want to be the first on it, but electronics in general is kind of bad, honestly. Some of electronics products is cool, but I'm just saying cameras and projectors is always a no-go. When people come into coaching, they always show me a projector on the camera and it's a no every time. The survival and outdoor niche. Survival in terms of outdoor, you know, outdoor survival. Bad niche, honestly. I tested a lot of products there. I found a lot of stuff fascinating too, but for some reason when I test outdoor and survival type of stuff, it rarely works for real. So I would just avoid that niche because it's just not too good. The worst niche is the pet niche, but there is a charm to it as well. I know it can work, but it's a bad one. It's just like, you know, you might have a new pet product, a new dog product. We never seen the dog product before, but it just comes down as it feels like it's all the same, you know. You ever got that feeling like you see something new, but you're like, man, nah, it's just all the same. I've seen it before, even though it's something completely new. Like new stuff could still be all the same. You've seen it on new songs too, you know. Some of the hip-hop music just sounds like it's all the same. So even if it's new, if it's innovative, it still comes down. It's like this niche is all the same. It's overly populated, saturated. Everyone is on it. Beginners fail on it. It's just not a point. Of course you can make the dog niche work 100%, but I wouldn't recommend it. The next thing is going to be babies. Do not sell it. It's the beginner niche. It's the worst niche, and I don't want to talk more about it. It's just so bad. But guys, focus on the problem solving. Focus on the wow factor. That's the product that's going to sell. That's what's going to change your life. If you're watching this right now, you make this thing happen. I believe in you guys. You got the boss with you. Make sure you make your dreams come reality, guys. I'm here to guide you the whole way on my YouTube channel. Please leave a like on this video. Make sure you comment something nice or hate if you want to. We can also make fun of that. And make sure you guys subscribe to the Ecom channel. You'll be seeing me in the next video.